what you heard. Food is political, and from thousands of years ago to the present day, what and how we eat has brokered as much peace as it has started and financed wars. Let's face it, the demand for what we eat and drink has given rise to mind-boggling innovation and delicious cuisine, but often in the wake of slave trades and rebellions in equal measure. Hi, I'm Sunyatta Amen, host of the podcast Decolonize Your Dish, and I've spent my entire life researching, creating, and serving great food. From my time behind the counter at my parents' health food stores in New York City to the reimagining of that concept as award-winning tea houses in Washington, D.C., the culture behind cuisine has been my passion. I've been a long-time radio show host and TV wellness expert because I love dishing on the politics, health, and history inside the ingredients.
Inside the ingredients.
Inside the ingredients.
Inside the ingredients.
Tune into the Decolonize Your Dish podcast, where we interview guests from all walks of life, artists, musicians, authors, and of course chefs, and have tasty and often heated conversations about food. And hey, we might all just learn something along the way. What I do know is we will definitely be hungry by the end of each episode because secret recipes, tips, and tricks are also included. Are you ready to decolonize your dish? Press play and let's do it.